Hi, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you the Crocs that I got for my daughter. These are the unisex black kids size 5 Crocs. Now, who doesn't love Crocs, right? They're super durable, last forever. Wear them outside, inside, wash them off with the hose, and you're ready to go again. So we were super excited to get these for her, but I want to tell you about a little trick. When you go from child to adult Crocs, the price goes up quite a bit. So she actually is a size 7, but the size 5 child Croc fits her. She's 10 years old, and the size 5 fit awesome. Maybe because it's unisex, I'm not sure, but we were very thrilled because the price point was excellent on these Crocs, and they are the real deal. Super soft, flexible, lightweight, and the black is great because she can get them as dirty as she wants and nobody can tell. I definitely recommend them to you, and that is my point of view.